Welcome to my channel WinChem. Today we are going to see a latest rule in quantum chemistry. Okay, in that, why we need to study, what is the purpose of the study, how to do the calculation of this latest rule. This only we are going to see. Don't miss it. Watch till the end. What we are going to learn in this latest rule, why we need to learn that. Okay, what effective nuclear charge is going to learn in that. Why we need to learn, actually each electrons experiencing the very less nuclear charge compared to the actual one. Okay, that's why we are learning the effective nuclear charge of the electrons. We are going to learn each electrons, we are going to find out effective nuclear charge for each electrons. We are going to find out why is it so, why we are getting a very less nuclear charge, because of the screening and the shielding effect. That the symbol is S, small s or capital S or sigma. Okay, because of the shielding and the screening effect of the electrons. What is that? See here, this is the nucleus and this is the outermost electron. There will be attraction towards the nucleus attracts the outermost electron towards itself. But this is not happening because of the electrons in between the nucleus and the outermost electron. Why? These electron repulsion will be more, because of that this attraction is going to be less. Okay, that's why the effective nuclear charge becomes less for these the electrons. Actual charge will be less because of the effective nuclear charge. Okay, because of that electrons experiencing a very less nuclear charge. Because of that we are going to find out the effective nuclear charge. I think you are getting very clear. See in this figure also, the each electrons experiencing the repulsion between each other. Okay, that's why because of that the nucleus and outermost electrons, we are experiencing the very less attractions. Okay, because of that due to the screening effect. This is the screening effect. These are all the electrons acting as a screening effect. Okay, so how to find out the effective nuclear charge? Atomic number minus the screening effect. So we need to find out what is the screening effect. With that we need to subtract the atomic number minus screening effect. We will get the effective nuclear charge. That is the latest rule. How to find out this latest rule? What is the trick behind in that? Only three tricks we need to find out. That is, atomic number, we should know that for whatever the element they are asking, and the electronic configuration we need to write. And the third one, we need to learn these three values. That is, for ns, np, nd, nf, the outermost orbital, that we make it as a n, and the next orbital we make it as a n minus 1. For that outermost orbital 0.35 the value, and the next orbital, that is previous one, n minus 1. For that s, p and d, for that we need to 0.85, and the remaining everything is 1. See here, this is the n electron for the outermost orbital, whether it is s, p, d, whatever it is, we need to keep this as a 0.35, and the next one is 0.85. The remaining everything is 1 only. Okay, this three value we need to learn it: 0.35, 0.85 and 1. Example we will see. Find out the screening constant and effective nuclear charge for 4s and 3p electrons in iron. Iron we need to know. Okay, atomic number is 26. That is the first trick. Second trick is electronic configuration. We should write it. For 26 means 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d6, 4s, 2. What they are asking is screening constant, yes, and the effective nuclear charge ZEFF. Okay, for 4s and 3p. For 4s means till this end, 3p means till this end. Remaining no need to find out for 3p. For 4s we need to find out for all the electrons. Okay, so how to find out 4s? See here, this is the trick. We need to keep it in your mind. Third trick is ns, np, nd 0.35, n minus 1 is 0.85, and the remaining 2, 1 and all, for that 1. We will find out one by one. 4s. 4s means here this electron we are going to find out. Okay, screening constant and effective nuclear charge. Remaining how many electrons will be there? Only 1 electrons will be there. Overall 2 electrons. In that 1 we are going to find out. So remaining 1 electron. So 1 into n value 0.35. 1 into 0.35 plus. And then remaining n minus 1 is 0.85. What is n minus 1? This is n. N value is 4 here. N minus 1 is 3. So what and all is there? How many electrons is there in the 3? 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 electrons into 0.85. Okay, plus, and the remaining how many electrons are there? 6 plus 2, 8 plus 2. Okay, 8 plus 2, 10. Remaining everything will be how much value? 1. So 1 into 10, which is equal to 22.5. This is the effective nuclear charge. Okay. Effective nuclear charge means how to find out? Z minus S. Effective nuclear charge is equal to Z is 26 minus 22.25. Okay. And 3p we will see. The 3p means till this end only we have to find out. In one of the electron, the 3p we need to find. So how much remaining? Remaining will be 5 electrons will be there. Okay. So here 3p means here also n, here also n. Both are n only. So how many electrons are there? 6 plus 2 is 8, but one of the electrons we need to find out, So how many remaining will be the 7? One will be, we are going to, one will be is there in that only we are going to find. So the remaining will be 7 electrons. So 7 electrons into, what is that for n? 0.35. First value always we need to keep 0.35 only, first value, for that is the n. Here this is the n. So 0.35, how many electrons? 7 electrons. And then n minus 1. N minus 1, how many electrons are there here? 6 plus 2, 8 electrons are there. 8 electrons is how much? 0.85. 8 into 0.85. Remaining only 2 electrons are there. 2 into 1. Okay. So we need to add everything and we need to find the 11.25. So effective nuclear charge, how to find out? Z minus S. S is this is the value for S, and Z is the 26 value. 26 minus 22.5 is 3.75 for 4S, and Z is EF, that is effective nuclear charge for 3p is 26 minus 11.25, that is 14.75. This is the value for both. If you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel and click the bell button and share to your friends so that you will get all the upcoming videos and tricks. Thanks for watching.